Good morning, afternoon, or evening. My name is Gigo, and welcome back to the Hill project. In today's episode, we continue with the block laying which we started in our previous episode, alongside preparing the iron rods which is going to form the pillar. So we have the steel bender also on site to start preparing for the pillars, because as you see, it is a very big project. It's going to be six apartments, and I think it's 2 or 3 bedrooms in each. So it's a very huge project, and if we should just lay the blocks and wait before we install the pillars, we're in the rainy season, so there might be a heavy wind or something to blow the blocks down. So what we're doing now, we have the steel bender on site, and he is going to be installing the pillars, the joints. As you can see, behind them, they've really done a lot. They've laid a lot to, I think, almost getting to the lintel level. So he has to quickly go and form the pillars so they can cast, to make it solid. So that's what the guys are working on. Laying blocks is something we've done over and over on the channel. You can see they've laid the quality blocks. If we walk through, you'll see how best they've done to lay the blocks neatly done. I'll show you later in the video. We'll walk around and you guys will see how very neat job done. And they have, I think they lay 4 a day, so every stage, every place has to be 4 high a day, and then they move to the next stage. So this is how they are moving. There are quite some masons on site. It's a large group, and as I said, we always work as a team and we work hand in hand. So it's more about communication when it comes to Gigo Production Group. We work together as a team. As you can see, this is the getting to the end of the day. This is what they were able to do. Very neat job, fast job. And if you see where it's yet to be dry, you see there are 4 layers, some are 3, depending on how far they go during the day. So you can see very neatly done. Nice job, man. I'm very proud of these guys, very proud of them. So in my next episode, we will see how high it will go, and then we can walk through the various rooms, for you to see how spacious they are. I think I've asked the contractor to do so, to show us the room. I actually don't have the plan for this house, so I only have the outside view, and that's what I share with you guys. So we'll go through the various rooms and see the various places, the kitchen, the washroom, and the bedrooms as well. I think this will be a bedroom, 2 bedrooms, but yeah, later we will see. Yeah, so yeah, in this video there's nothing much to share. There's nothing new. Actually, I've done this over and over on my channel. The Thermal projects is the same block laying we did. With the Pram project, also the same thing, and the beach project also is the same. So there's nothing really special to share here. The guys are just laying their blocks. So that I just wanted to give you guys an update how we are going and how the guys work, and we don't mind working late. They are not people that will come to your site, do small job, and then they will tell you they are tired, or it is getting late and they have to go home, and they will just abandon whatever they've done and just go and come back the next day. No, we make sure we hit our target that we set for the day, and even if it gets a little bit late, the guys don't mind, to just stay around and get this done. And actually, if you are building and it gets to this stage, it's possible that the guys will stay around, because they always go with their mosquito net, and then they can just patch there, just sleep for the next day, and then they continue. So Gigo Production Group is a team that you can strongly rely on. It's all about communication, as I always say. We have to talk as brothers and sisters and see how best we can help each other. So it's the next day, and see how beautiful the blocks looks, the work they've done. See how beautiful, the layouts of the whole thing is done. Like I said, we are first focusing on the left side, and when we are done, we come to the right side because it's a very huge project here. We don't want to go all once, focus on one side, make it strong, and then we move to the other side, and then also make it nice. So like I said, the estimate is 5,000 blocks. That's what we're going to use for the whole till lintel level. That's the estimate. We'll see how far we get with that. And masons have gone back again to the other side to make it more high, because they didn't really get to the level they wanted before coming to the front, just because they can only lay 4 blocks a day, 4 blocks high, 4 curves high a day. So that's how they work. That's why you see the back is more higher than the front, than the one which is facing us now. So every day they start at the back, they lay 4 to the front, and then the next day they go back again, lay 4 coming, and that is the strategy, and that's the formation. So thanks for staying with me till this far. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Next episode, which will be the 3rd day, we'll see how high the blocks will be, and I believe we can walk through and see all the demarcation and also the various rooms. So kindly please do subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video, share to a friend, to motivate that friend who has that land on the hill and is struggling to build. We can do it. So thanks for staying, and I'll see you in my next episode. Look, do we